today we will act a story. My name is Brooklyn.
My name is Kanplu.
So, next we will read the story about Milo goes fishing.
Milo was working on his computer, and Mom came and eat all these things.
Milo mom asked what he want to do with his things. How about we will make a fishing game? Fish game need to use
Glue stick, paper clips,
a magnet and a white string. So you try to stick 54 seconds. And two. Okay, I will count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was so good.